Which national park is famous for the geyser known as Old Faithful? Yosemite, Yellowstone, Zion, Grand Canyon. The correct answer is Yellowstone. What type of pizza is typically baked in a rectangular shape? Sicilian pizza, Neapolitan pizza, Chicago deep dish, New York thin crust. The correct answer is Sicilian pizza. Which famous singer was born with the real name Reginald Kenneth Dwight? David Bowie, Elton John, Freddie Mercury, Rod Stewart. The correct answer is Elton John. Which fruit juice is commonly used to write invisible ink that becomes visible when heated? Orange juice, lemon juice, apple juice, grape juice. The correct answer is lemon juice. What term describes someone who holds religious beliefs different from those of the dominant or established religion? Pagan, atheist, mystic, cleric. The correct answer is pagan. Dartmouth, Cornell, and Princeton are all members of which prestigious university group? The Big Ten, the Ivy League, the Red Brick League, the Academic Alliance. The correct answer is the Ivy League. What was the original purpose of Egypt's pyramids? Temples, tombs for pharaohs, libraries, fortresses. The correct answer is tombs for pharaohs. Who is often called the father of history? Thucydides, Herodotus, Socrates, Cicero. The correct answer is Herodotus. What causes a rainbow to appear? Cloud movement, thunder vibrations, refraction and reflection of light in water droplets, lightning strikes. The correct answer is refraction and reflection of light in water droplets. The Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in which country? Sweden, Switzerland, Norway, Denmark. The correct answer is Norway. Which desert is the largest in the world by area? Gobi Desert, Arabian Desert, Antarctic Desert, Sahara Desert. The correct answer is Antarctic Desert. The painting The Starry Night was created by which artist? Claude Monet, Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, Salvador Dali. The correct answer is Vincent van Gogh. What element is essential for building strong bones? Iron, potassium, sodium, calcium. The correct answer is calcium. What ancient device was used to tell time using shadows? Hourglass, sundial, astrolabe, compass. The correct answer is sundial. What is the name of the giant stone statues on Easter Island? Totems, moai, tiki, koru. The correct answer is moai.